Okay, so this is my development environment that I'm using for writing my Python programs. It's Edge 1.14, running under WinUAE via Amiga forever. So it's a nice development environment because it's distraction free. I don't have internet access within this virtual machine, and I can just code as though it's the 80s without worrying about the internet, without worrying about IDEs, etc., etc. So this was just a task list app that I wrote, and the idea was to have preset items but also allow a custom item to be added. It's kind of inspired by a 1920s device, which was a small metal rectangle that has sliders for each shopping item. So if we go to PowerShell and run the program, we see the intro screen. We're told where shopping lists will be saved. Press enter to start your list. So if we type in add, this is what I mean. We have preset items like milk, butter, cheese. You can add more of these. Obviously, you'd probably have 20 or so items for a production program. But the nice idea is, I can type in 1 and milk's immediately added. We can see it up here. I can type in 3, cheese is immediately added. There's a random item here for fun, so if we type in 5, we get Weetabix added. 5 again, tuna. Let's do it once more, marzipan. If we need to add a custom item, we type in 4. We type in bleach and enter, so it's in our shopping list. If we use 6 for main menu and type list, we get a nice formatted list with checkboxes. And we're prompted or asked if we'd like to mark an item as purchased. If we put yes, if we type in gibberish, we've got some exception handling. We're told that the system could not find item in list and advised to please check spelling. So let's press enter. Let's try list again. Let's mark an item as purchased, and this time type in milk. Milk has been purchased, and if we type in list, it's disappeared from the list. So we know we don't want to mark an item as purchased. Del for delete. Delete which item, gibberish, exception handling again. Let's go to del. This time type in tuna, and tuna is removed from the list. And that's the core functionality of the program. We've also got a save function, file written to this location, press enter. If we switch to that location, you see it's generated a shopping list.txt with our items in it: cheese, Weetabix, marzipan, bleach. So that's useful. You could obviously cloud sync that folder and have access to your shopping list when you're out and about. But that is the bulk of it. It's quit. So I'll put this code on GitHub. It's quite simple. I'm actually going to do a live coding session of a task list from scratch. So you can just see some of this stream of consciousness programming if that's not the approach you use. I tend to just write these programs out without references, just from the top of my head. So I like to code kind of 80s style. So that will be an upcoming video. So feel free to use this code to improve it, do something useful with it. Thanks for listening.